Hello, my name is Tim Edwards and welcome to the Tim G. Edwards Music YouTube channel. This is part 2 in learning how to play the praise and worship song Waymaker, written by Sinach in the key of E. In the last lesson I showed you how to play the song in the key of G. Well, this lesson will be in the key of E, and we'll be primarily using a chord progression, using that E shape and playing up the neck of the guitar, just for a unique, different sound, and still using some open strings. So if you know how to play the key of E and the E shape, then you'll know how to play these chords. It's real easy. So let's get started. Okay, we'll be playing this song in the key of E. Just a quick review of the E chord. You'll place your first finger on string number 3 of the first fret, your second finger on string number 5 of the second fret, and finger number 3 on the 4th string of the second fret, and play all strings. That is the key of E, okay? And the next chord we'll learn is A major. Now, in previous lessons I showed you how to play the A, but just for a different open sound, keep that same E shape and just simply move up to the 6th fret. Okay, so this finger number 1, move it up 6 frets. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Keeping that same shape, and you'll play all the strings except for this top string. Just barely touch it with your thumb just to mute it, or you could touch it with your second finger, or just simply don't strum the top string, and let all strings ring out on strings 1 and 2. That's A, okay? Now the key of B, just slide up 2 frets. 1, 2, okay? So again, don't strum the top string, but finger number 1 will be on the 3rd string of the 8th fret. Finger number 2 will be on the 5th string of the 9th fret. Finger number 3 will be on the 4th string of the 9th fret. Strum all strings except for the top one. So that's B. Slide down 2, 1, 2. That's A. Slide up 2. That's B. Go all the way down. That's E. Okay, so just in review again, you got E, slide up to the 6th fret, you got A, slide up 2 frets, you have B. Okay, the only remaining chord left in this song's chord progression that does not take on the same shape as E is C sharp minor. To play C sharp minor, you just simply move your first finger, keep it on string number 3, just move it up 1 fret to fret number 9. Then place your 3rd finger on string number 5 of the 11th fret, and then your pinky finger right underneath it on the 4th string of the 11th fret. And again, play all strings except for this top string. You want to mute it. Okay, but let the bottom 2 strings ring out, and here's what it sounds like. Okay, so you're going from B, C sharp minor, B. Just keep your finger on the 3rd string, and then place these 2 down on the 5th and 4th strings of the 11th fret. Okay, looking at the chord progression for the song, for the verse and the chorus and the bridge, it's the same chord progression. You start off with A major, and then E major, and then B, and then C sharp minor. So in that order, and you just simply repeat that throughout the entire song. Okay. As far as the strumming pattern, we just keep the same pattern as we used in the previous lesson. It'll be like this: down, 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 up, up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down. Okay? So you'll play each chord 1 measure and then you'll change to the next chord. So in other words, it'd be A, 2, 3, 4, E, 2, 3, 4, B, 2, 3, 4, C sharp minor, 2, 3, 4. So it'll be pretty easy. So here's how the verse will go. You are here, moving in our midst. I worship you, I worship you. You are here, moving in this place. I worship you, I worship you. So the chorus will be using that same chord progression. Waymaker, miracle worker, promise keeper, light in the darkness. My God, that is who you are. Waymaker, miracle worker, promise keeper, light in the darkness. My God, that is who you are. That is who you are. That is who you are. So on the bridge, you'll just use the same chord progression. Even when I don't see it, you're working. Even when I don't feel it, you're working. You never stop, you never stop working. You never stop, you never stop working. Even though I don't see it, you're working. Even when I don't feel it, you're working. You never stop, you never stop working. You never stop, you never stop working. Hey, if you like this lesson, be sure and hit the like button at the end of this lesson. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, be sure and hit the subscribe button afterwards, and it'll just bookmark my channel on your subscriptions. So this channel will be much easier to find, and you'll be notified when new lessons have been uploaded. I appreciate my current subscribers, those that follow me and support me, and I appreciate you guys very, very much. This concludes our lesson, and the next lesson I want to teach you how to play the praise and worship song, Lord, I Lift Your Name on High. And again, it's just using some simple chords that you already know. If you don't already know these chords, then I'll be teaching you in these lessons. So you have a blessed day, and God bless you.